Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to like a Spotify Wrapped playlist. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on my home screen, and if you have a Spotify Wrapped playlist, it should be on the top of your home screen. But if you don't, as you can see, I don't, you have to look at the bottom of my screen right now, and there's 4 icons: a home, a search, your library, and a premium icon. We're going to click on the search icon, and that will take us here. And right under Browse All, you can see 2022 Wrapped. We're going to click on that. This will take you to the best artists, the best songs of 2022, etc., etc. So we're just going to pick any playlist that seems fun. Top groups of 2022. We're going to click on that. And there's 2 options if you want to like a playlist. As you can see right under the photo, there's a little like icon and a 3 dots icon. If we click on the 3 dots icon, you have a like option, so we can like it. Or you can also just click on this heart right here to like it. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.